In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a party in Rafflepalooza. So to get started, you just tap on the plus icon in the top right of the Parties tab. Then you are asked if you want to use a Facebook group for the party. For this first one, we'll say yes. Yes, please. Then we'll select the Facebook group we want to use. These are going to be Facebook groups that you are an admin of. If any Facebook groups that you're just a part of, if you're not an admin, you won't see them in this list. So I will select Brian's test group. Then it will use that Facebook group name as the party name. I'll leave that there, but you can change it to anything you want. I'll tap on next. Now we need to select our host. It has loaded the members of that group. There's only two because this is a test group my wife and I were using. I will select myself as the host, and now it wants to know which raffles we would like for this party. The door prize and grand prize are installed as part of the app by default. You can create other raffle types. The door prize is a single winner raffle that does not use tickets. The grand prize is a single winner raffle that does use tickets. I'll go ahead and just select door prize so that way everyone has an equal chance to win. I'll select next. And then now I will select the players that'll be a part of that. I will go ahead and select both of the people in the group and hit done. So now it's created the party and it takes me to the party page. So now to create a manual or local party, again, you'll select the plus icon and then we will say no thank you. This will now be a manual entry, so I will just call it test party. Then I'll tap next. So on this screen, to add the host, you'll notice these are the two Facebook users that came from the other party. The reason is that once you've added a user as a host or as we'll call them a player or a participant in the party, they get saved locally, so you can reuse them later. If a person is part of two different Facebook groups, you can rest assured they're not going to be added twice. The system is smart enough to see that those are the same users. But when you do create a local party, it's going to show you all of the people that have been saved down to your device. So that's why you're seeing them here. We could tap the plus button here to add a person manually, but I won't worry about that. I will go ahead and make my wife the host of this one. And then we'll go ahead and select the door prize and the grand prize because I want to show you what happens if you have two raffles. Select next, and this screen, you are going to see a version of this screen for every raffle that you selected on the previous screen. So we selected door prize and grand prize. So now it wants us to select the players for the door prize. So I'll go ahead and select them both. And then it's going to say select the players for the grand prize. Well, I may not know what players are going to be a part of the grand prize, and I don't have to select them now. I can actually add them later. So we can not select anybody and just hit done. So now we're taken to that test party screen. You can see our door prize has 2 players, our grand prize has 0 players. So now if we go back to our party screen, what I want to show you is that the test party, you can see, has 2 raffles. So that's those two, the 2 next to the fireworks. And the test group has 1 raffle. And then the test party has 2 total participants. And the test group has also 2 participants. So that's it for creating parties. Next, we will look at setting up your Facebook group because what I didn't show you was if I want to create a party using a group that has not been set up correctly on Facebook, I will get an error message. So when it tries to get the members of that group, you will see this message. So the next video will show you how to fix that problem.